Did you know NASA discovered an habitable exoplanet, and they say that this planet may have water in that planet? An interesting thing is it revolves around a star which is cooler and redder than our own sun. It is estimated that, if their life exists, then, due to its photosynthesis, influenced by the color of light coming from the star is red, this planet would have red plants and trees, unlike green plants on our planet Earth. And the name of this planet is Kepler 186f, truly beautiful. This artist's concept depicts Kepler 186f, the first validated Earth-size planet to orbit a distant star in the habitable zone, a range of distance from a star where liquid water might pool on the planet's surface. The discovery of Kepler 186f confirms that Earth-sized planets exist in the habitable zones of other stars and signals a significant step closer to finding a world similar to Earth. The size of Kepler 186f is known to be less than 10% larger than Earth, but its mass, composition, and density are not known. Previous research suggests that a planet the size of Kepler 186f is likely to be rocky. Prior to this discovery, the record holder for the most Earth-like planet went to Kepler 62f, which is 40% larger than the size of Earth and orbits in its star's habitable zone. Kepler 186f orbits its star once every 130 days and receives 1/3 the energy that Earth does from the Sun, placing it near the outer edge of the habitable zone. If you could stand on the surface of Kepler 186f, the brightness of its star at high noon would appear as bright as our Sun is about an hour before sunset on Earth. Kepler 186f resides in the Kepler 186 system about 500 light-years from Earth in the constellation Cygnus. The system is also home to 4 inner planets, seen lined up in orbit around a host star that is half the size and mass of the Sun. The artistic concept of Kepler 186f is the result of scientists and artists collaborating to imagine the appearance of these distant worlds. NASA Ames manages Kepler's ground system development, mission operations, and science data analysis. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, Calif., managed Kepler mission development. Ball Aerospace and Technologies Corp. in Boulder, Colorado, developed the Kepler flight system and supports mission operations with JPL at the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics at the University of Colorado in Boulder. The Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore archives, hosts, and distributes the Kepler science data. Kepler is NASA's 10th discovery mission and is funded by NASA's Science Mission Directorate at the agency's headquarters in Washington. What did you think? Let me know in comments.